Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do fractions, exercise 6b. And question 5. Arrange the given fractions in descending order of magnitude. So we have three fractions here, 5 by 16, 13 by 24, and 7 by 8. We have to find the LCM of the denominators to make them all like fractions. Right now, as you can see, they're all unlike fractions because the denominators are different. So we're going to find the LCM of the denominators 16, 24, and 8. Let's start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. We continue with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 2 again, 2 1s are 2. We bring down 3, 1. Now we go on to 3. 1. 3 1s are 3, 1. Now let's find the LCM. There are 4 2's there, as you can see. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let's see. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. 16 into 3. So 16 3's are 48. So the LCM is 48, and we are going to use this LCM to find the new numerators. This LCM is going to be the denominator. So let me write down the questions again. 5 by 16, 13 by 24, and 7 by 8. Now all the denominators have become 48. This is the LCM that we are using here. Now 16 has become 48. 16 has become 48. 24 has become 48. And 8 has become 48. Now we need to see how we got that. How did we change these denominators to 48? What do we need to multiply that with? So 16 into 3 will give you 48. So multiply the numerator also by 3. 5 3's are 15. We'll go on to the second fraction. 24 into what is 48? 24 2's. So 13 2's are 26. Going on to the third fraction. 8 into what is 48? 8 6's are 48. So let's multiply 7 also by 6. 7 6's are 42. Okay, so now we have got three fractions here, and as you can see, the denominators are all the same, so they are like fractions. Now we can look at the numerators and arrange these fractions in descending order. So the biggest numerator is 42. So we write 42 by 48 first. Okay, so that's the greatest fraction here, which is 7 by 8. So let's write down 7 by 8 is greater than. Okay, let's look at the next two fractions. The numerators are 15 and 26. The greater one is 26. That means 13 by 24. 13 by 24 is greater than the last fraction, which is 5 by 16. 5 by 16. So we've got our fractions. We have arranged them in descending order. Question 2. Let's find the LCM of the denominators first. 5, 15, 20, and 4. We'll start with 2. So 5, then I'm leaving 15 here. 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4. I'll continue with 2. I bring down 5, 15, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Now I can use 5. 1, 5 threes are 15, 1 and 1. So now I will use 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So let's find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, so let's do this. 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20. So 20 into 3. 20 into 3 is 60. So our LCM is 60. So let's use this LCM to find the new numerators and to arrange the fractions in descending order. Okay, so let's go on. I'll write down the question again. 4 by 5, 7 by 15, 11 by 20, and 3 by 4. And now the new denominators for all these fractions are going to be 60. Let's find the new numerators now. 5 into what will give us 60? 12 fives are 60. So we multiply 4 also by 12. 12 fours are 48. Second fraction, 15 into what will give us 60? 15 fours are 60. So I'm going to multiply 7 by 4. 7 fours are 28. Next one, 20 into 3 is 60. So 11 into 3 is 33. 4 into 15 is 60. So 3 into 15. 15 threes are 45. So we have our fractions here. Now we're going to arrange them in descending order. Now look out for the biggest numerator. 48 by 60 is the biggest numerator. So this fraction will come first. 4 by 5 is greater than. Now look at the other three numerators. The greatest is 45. So this will come second. 3 by 4 is greater than 28 and 33, which is the greater number? 33. So this is the third one. So this will come next. 11 by 20. And the last one is 7 by 15. So we have arranged our fractions in descending order. Okay, let's go to the next one. Question 3, the fractions are 5 by 7, 3 by 8 and 9 by 11. Now to arrange these unlike fractions in descending order, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So let's find the LCM of 7, 8 and 11. So 7, 8 and 11. Let's find the LCM. Let's begin with 2. 7 comes down as it is. 2 fours are 8. Then we have 11. We'll continue with 2 again. So 7 again comes down. 2 2s are 4. 11 also comes down as it is. Continue again with 2. 7 comes down. 2 1s are 2. 11 also we bring it down. Now we continue with 7. So 7 1s are 7. 1 and 11 is not divisible by 7. So we bring it down. Now we have to divide only by 11. So 1, 1 and 11 1s are 11. So now what is our LCM? Our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. So let's group the 2's. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Then 8 into 7 into 11. So 8 into 7, 8 sevens are 56. 56 into 11 is how much? When you multiply, you will get 616, which is the LCM. So now can you see the LCM of the denominators 7, 8 and 11 is 616. So now all three fractions will have the denominator 616. The first fraction, the second fraction and the third fraction. Now as you can see, 616 is a big number, isn't it? Now, there's another way that you can do it. In case you find this difficult, you can find the LCM of the numerators. Here we found the LCM of the denominators. You can find the LCM of 5, 3 and 9, the numerators, and then see if it's a smaller number and do. Otherwise, we can continue with this itself. So now what is the next thing to do? Now we need to see all the denominators here. By what should we multiply each denominator to get 616? So in that case, what we should do is take the denominator and take the LCM and multiply by each of the denominators. So the LCM is 616. Let's divide 616 first by 7. This is a denominator, we're going to divide it by 7. So let's divide this by 7. So here we have 61. 7 eighths are 56 minus. So here when we subtract, what do we get? This becomes 5 and this is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Bring down the next number, it's 56. 7 into 8 will give us 56. So again, 7 eighths are 56. So what does this mean? This means that when you multiply 7 into 88, which is the quotient, you will get 616. So if you multiply 7 into 88, so here we are multiplying 7 into 88, we should multiply 5 also by 88. So 5 into 88. 7 into 88, we multiply 5 also by 88. Let's multiply and see. So 88 into 5. 5 eighths are 40, carry 4. 5 eighths are 40 plus 4 is 440. So we've got a first numerator 440. So what did we do here? We took the first denominator, we divided it by the LCM 616 and we got 88. Then we multiplied both by 88. Now we should do the same thing with the second fraction. The second fraction is 3 by 8. The denominator is 8. So we're going to divide the LCM, which is 616 by 8. 8 sevens are 56 minus, let's subtract now. So here this becomes 5 and this is 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Bring down the next number, it's 56. 8 sevens are 56. So this means 8 into 77 is equal to 616. So here we should multiply 8 by 77. So 8 into 77, that means we should multiply 3 also by 77. Let's multiply 77 into 3 and see what we get. 3 sevens are 21, carry 2. 3 sevens are 21 plus 2 is 23. So here we get the second numerator 231. Now let's look at the third fraction. The third fraction is 9 by 11. That means this time the denominator 11, we're going to use that as the divisor to divide 616. 11 fives are 55. Let's subtract now. So here this becomes 5, 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Bring down the next number. It is 6. 11 sixes are 66. So minus, we've got zeros here. So 11, when you multiply it by the quotient, which is 56, we get 616. So here also, let's multiply 9 in 11 into 56 gives us 616. So we multiply 9 also by 56. So let's multiply 56 into 9. 9 sixes are 54, carry 5. 9 fives are 45 plus 5 is 50. So 504 is the numerator. So now we have all three numerators 440, 231 and 504 and the denominators are all the same. So when we arrange it in descending order, we look out for the bigger numerator. The bigger numerator is 504. That means this fraction will come first. Then the next one is 440 and then 231. So let's write this first. So 504 by 616 comes first. This is greater than 440 by 616, and this is greater than 231 by 616. So now let's write our final answer. A final answer, we should go back to the question. Now 504 by 616 is actually 9 by 11. So let's write that 9 by 11 is greater than 440 by 616 is 5 by 7. It's 5 by 7, so we write that next. So 5 by 7, and this is greater than the next one, which is 3 by 8. So our answer is 9 by 11 is greater than 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 8. Like I said earlier, we can do the same thing by finding the LCM of the numerators. Now, in the previous step, we saw that when we found the LCM of the denominators, the LCM was a big number, 616, isn't it? Now, let's find the LCM of the numerators and see what it is. The numerators are 5, 3, and 9. So, let's find the LCM of the numerators. Let's begin with 3. So, we bring down 5 as it is. 3 ones are 3. Now 3 threes are 9. Now again we can continue with 3. We bring down 5 because it's not divisible. 1 comes down. 3 ones are 3. Now we can use 5. 1, 1 and 1. So let's see what the LCM is. LCM will be 3 into 3 into 5. Now 3 threes are 9, 9 fives are 45. So the LCM is 45. Can you see that this is a much smaller number when compared to 616, which is a big number? So in case you find that it's difficult to work out with an LCM like that, 616, then look out for the LCM of the numerators and see whether it's a smaller number. In this case, it's a smaller number. So let's work with LCM as 45. So let's take down the question. So here it is 5 by 7, 3 by 8 and 9 by 11, the three fractions. Now the LCM is 45. Remember, this time it's the LCM of the numerators. So all the numerators have now become 45. So the second one is 45. The third one is also 45. Now we have to find the denominators. So let's look at the numerator. Remember, all the numerators have now become 45. So 5 into what is 45? 5 nines are 45. Now, let's multiply the denominator also by 9. 7 nines are 63. Let's go to the next one. The next numerator is 3. 3 into what is 45? 3 into 15. 3 into 15 is 45. So we multiply 8 by 15. 15 into 8, you have to multiply, it's 120. Then let's go to the third numerator. 9 into what is 45? 9 into 5 is 45. So we multiply 11 also by 45. So 11 fives are 55. So now can you see all the numerators are the same, the denominators are all different. And we know that when numerators are the same, the smallest denominator, that is 55, will make this the biggest fraction. So this becomes the biggest fraction, okay, because the numerators are the same. So let's write that first. So that will be 45 by 55 is the biggest fraction. Then which is the next one? The next number that is greater than this is 63. So 45 by 63 is the next fraction. And then we have 45 by 120. So now let's get back to the question here. So 45 by 55 is actually 9 by 11. So we write that first. So that means we have 9 by 11, which is greater than, now 45 by 63 is here. That means it is 5 by 7. So let's write that 5 by 7. And the last one is 3 by 8. So you can do it this way also. So can you see it was so much easier when the LCM was a smaller number, isn't it? So you can either find the LCM of the denominators and do it, or find the LCM of the numerators and do it. This time we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. We're going to arrange it in ascending order. We follow the same method. We're going to find the LCM of the denominators. So we have 16, 12 and 4. Let's start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, I bring down 3 and I bring down 1. 2 1s are 2 and I bring down 3 and I bring down 1. Now I use 3, 1, 1 and 1. My LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3 is 48. So what is my LCM? LCM is 48. Now I'm going to use this as my common denominator. So let me start by writing the questions first. 9 by 16, 7 by 12 and 1 by 4. Now my denominators are all going to become 48. Okay, now let's check the numerators. We're going to find new numerators now. Okay, so 16 into what is 48? 16 3s are 48. Let me multiply 9 by 3. 9 3s are 27. Next fraction, 12 4s are 48. So 7 4s are 28. Last fraction, 4 into what is 48? 12. 12 fours, we saw it in the previous fraction. So 4 12s are 48. I multiply 1 also by 12. So now I get 1 12s are 12. So I've got 3 fractions which are like fractions now. They all have the same denominator. Let's look for the greatest numerator, 28. So this is the greatest fraction. 7 by 12 is the greatest fraction, but this time we have to arrange it in ascending order. So we look for the smallest one here. We look for the smallest. So the smallest is 12. Smallest is 12. So this comes first. This is the ascending order. We look for the smallest. So 1 by 4 is smaller than, now 27 and 28, which is a smaller one? 27. So 9 by 16. And then the last one, which is 7 by 12. Let's find the LCM of the denominators here. 6, 7, 9 and 3. Starting with 2. 2 3s are 6, 7, 9 and 3. I bring it down. Now I use 3, 1, 7, 3 3s are 9. Bring down 1, 1 and 1. Now I use 7. Okay, let's find the LCM now. LCM equals 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 7. Let's multiply 18 into 7. 18 into 7. 7 8s are 56. I carry 5. 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12. 126. So we're going to use 126 as the denominator. We have 4 fractions. Now my denominator for all these is 126. Okay. Now We are going to find the new numerators. 6 into what will give me 126? Now that's a big number, isn't it? So let's find out by short division. 6 into what will give me 126? Let's try. 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6. So that is 21. 6 into 21 will give me 126. So 5 into 21. Let's multiply 21 into 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So my new numerator is 105. Let's go on to the second one. 7 into what will give me 126? Let me try doing it. 126 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. And there is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5. 56. 7 eights are 56. So 7 into 18. That means I have to multiply 2 by 18. 18 twos are 36. So we've got that, 36. Now let's go on to the third one. 9 into what will give me 126? Let's try dividing 126 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 3 remaining. I have 36. 9 fours are 36. So 9 into 14, so 8 into 14. So 14 into 8, let's see. 8 fours are 32, carry 3, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 112. So I've got my third numerator. Let's move on to the fourth one. So I have 3 into what will give me 126. Let's divide 126 by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 twos are 6. So 3 into 42. So 1 into 42 is 42. So now I have like fractions. Let me look for the smallest numerator. 36 is the smallest. So my smallest fraction is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is smaller than, now which is the next smallest number? 42 is smaller than 1 by 3. This is smaller than, the next smallest fraction is this, that is 5 by 6. And the last one is 2 by 7. 8 by 9, I'm sorry, the last one is 8 by 9. So we've arranged our numbers, our fractions in ascending order. Third one. Denominators, we're going to find the LCM. So let's start with 2. I bring down 3, 9, 3, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. I continue with 2, 3, 9, 3, 2 twos are 4, 3, 9, 3, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So let's see. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 into 3 threes are 9. 8 nines are 72. So the LCM is 72. We're going to use this. So let's write down the fractions. 2 by 3, 5 by 9, 5 by 6, and 3 by 8. The denominators have all become 72. Okay, so let's start. Now 3 into what will give us 72? Let's divide and see. 72 divided by 3. 3 twos are 6. I'll carry 1. I have 12. 3 fours are 12. So 24. 3 into 24. So 2 into 24 will give us 48. Next one. 9 eighths are 72. So 5 eighths are 40. Next fraction. 6 into 12. So 5 into 12. 12 fives are 60. The last fraction. 8 nines are 72. So 3 nines are 27. Okay, now let's look for the smallest number here. 27 is the smallest. So this is the smallest fraction. 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is smaller than, which is the next smallest fraction? 40 by 72, which is 5 by 9. 5 by 9, which is smaller than, in 48 and 60, 48 is the smaller one, which is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is smaller than the last fraction, which is 5 by 6. Okay. The next question, insert the symbol equal to or greater than or smaller than between each of the pairs of the fractions given below. So you have a pair of fractions given here and you have to insert one of these symbols there. So let's start. Let's find the LCM. Here also we find the LCM of the denominators 11 and 9. And let's find, we'll start with 3, 11. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Go to 11. 11 ones are 11. Now LCM is 3 into 3 into 11, which is 3 threes are 9 into 11. 9 elevens are 99. So the LCM is 99. Let's use this LCM here. We write down the questions. 6 by 11 and 5 by 9. They both have the denominator 99 now. Okay, right. Now 11 nines are 99. So 6 nines will be 54. 9 elevens are 99. So 5 elevens are 55. So let's look at both the numerators now. The greater one is 55. So let's put the symbol like this. So the symbol comes here, 55 is greater. So let's fill in a blank in the question, that is greater. Okay, so 5 by 9 is greater than 6 by 11. Question 2. Let's find the LCM of the denominators, 7 and 13. 7 ones are 7, 13. 13 ones are 13. So LCM is 7 into 13. 13 sevens are 91. So we're going to use 91 as a common denominator. So let me write down the fractions, 3 by 7 and 9 by 13. And the denominator is 91. 91. Okay, now 7 into 13 is 91. So 3 into 13 is 39. Next one, 13 into 7 is 91. So 9 sevens are 63. We have like fractions now. Look at the numerators. The greater numerator is 63. So this is the greater fraction. So we write 9 by 13 as the greater fraction. And the numerator, if you can see, 63 is greater. So 9 by 13 is the greater fraction. Last one, 64 and 8 are the denominators. Let's find the LCM. 2. 2 3s are 6, 32. 2 4s are 8. 2 into 16 is 32. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1. 2 2s are 4. Bring down 1. 2 1s are 2. So let's find the LCM. Let's see how many 2s we have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's multiply. 6 2s. Okay, now let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 13 2s are 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So the LCM is 64. We're going to use that here. Let me write down the fractions. 56 by 64 and 7 by 8. My denominators have now become 64. So let me write that down. 64. 64 into 1. So 56 into 1. 56 ones are 56. 8 eights are 64. So 7 eights. 7 eights are 56. Now, can you see, children, both the denominators are the same. So, they are equal to each other. So, this is equal, and finally we write equal here. Fourth one, let's find the LCM of the denominators, 12 and 33. Starting with 2. 2 6s are 12. I bring down 33. 2 3s are 6. Now I use 3. 1, 3 11s are 33. I can use 11 now. Now let's find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 into 11. So let's multiply that. 2 1s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. So let's add that up. We get 132. So LCM is 132. Let's use that as the common denominator. So the question is 5 by 12 and 8 by 33. The common denominator is going to be 132. So let's get the new numerators. 12 into 11. We just saw that, isn't it? 12 into 11. So 5 into 11 is 55. Now 33 into what will give you 132? Let's multiply and see. 33, let's multiply it by 4. 4 3s are 12, carry 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. We've got 132. So 33 into 4. So 8 4s are 32. So we've got like fractions and the numerators also. The greater one is 55 by 132. So So this is the greater one, and let's fill in the greater one there. So with that, we come to the end of exercise 7b. The next video is on exercise 7c. Thank you.